Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if this is your first time here. I have an order from a craft outlet. I need to do ribbon for fall because I'm doing fall now. That was my scale going off. My mom's here with me.
Hi everybody.
You gotta get like all the way in.
Hi everybody.
There you go. Alright, so I think this is, I don't know if there's I know there's at least one roll of mesh in here.
You really should use a box cutter instead of you go scissors.
I know, I don't know where my box cutter is. Oh, my box cutter is at your house because I used it to put in tile. Not tile. Luxury vinyl plank flooring.
Okay.
We just went to go have sushi for lunch. And now she is ready to go home and I'm ready to take a nap. Oh god, that's on. That's on. I thought that was a blade back there. Okay. Oh.
I'm gonna leave this tea with you.
Yeah, if I had this, it's disgusting. The cold infused stuff. They got it at the Friosk at Walmart today. Ugh. Oh yeah, it's a little bit of ribbon. Oh, and oh yeah, I did get some mesh. Almost sure I took this off, but I guess I didn't. Because I was like, I don't want to deal with 21-inch mesh, but... Alright, Faux Dupioni Burgundy, 10-yard roll, $2.85. Yo, this ribbon is so pretty. She frays, but... Look at that. It's pretty. Mama. The fall.
Starting.
Faux Dupioni ribbon lime green.
Look at this. How could you think these are?
Stop interrupting my video. Lime green, $3.56. Some of these were on sale, some of them weren't. Moss green. Wait, that might, oh no, this is a moss green. $3.56. That's a pretty color. So this is the. Let me put these together. I'm working with one hand. The lime and the moss. And then pumpkin orange. I've already used this in that big giant like 3-foot swag. But I think mine was more metallic. But this is just, I mean it's polyester, but it's supposed to look like silk Dupioni, which, you know. Okay, 10-inch border mesh, black and white. I feel like I have like 100 rolls of this. $4.95.
You do.
No, I think the other one is white with black and not black with white. 2.5-inch multi-glitter dot ribbon Halloween. $6.95. Stitch squares rust and cream. You'll know I had this in a bunch of different colors. How much is this? $4.25. 4-inch vertical stripe faux burlap ribbon. Here we go. Quit digging, Mom. $7.50. 2.5-inch.
Oh.
Halloween.
Oh.
No.
I don't like Halloween.
Gold Damask Dupioni ribbon, gray and black. $7.75. That's an expensive roll of ribbon.
This one's cute.
My mom like, why? I don't need green candy corn. Horizontal straight thin ribbon, $5.25. Dark brown wired ribbon, 2.5. $5.25? No. $4.75. And rust. This is velvet too. $4.95. That's pretty, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Thin straight fabric mesh, yellow and orange. Candy corn. Right. Black and gold metallic striped fabric mesh. $6.25. This one was no. This is $5.95. This was $6.75. Candy corn ribbon is $6.25. This plaid fabric mesh better be the best thing I've ever used because it was $8.75.
It's ugly.
It's a plaid.
It's still ugly.
You're ugly. And wide weave metallic mesh. I'm gonna open this up so y'all can see it. $4.75, and then 21-inch Oasis mesh roll metallic black, $7.16. Let me cover up my total. I get embarrassed. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I mean, obviously Halloween. I am so out of breath. Ooh.
Oh, it's shiny.
Yeah. That's cool. It's really cool in here. Yeah, I don't know why. I think I had a different one. Like, I had like a regular Deco mesh, and I saw that this was on sale, so I got it. This is basically, I mean, it's exactly the same thing. It's just 21 inches. So that's cool. You know, imagine that, with this. I feel like I had that ribbon last year. Maybe I used it all.
This one?
Yeah. Something like that. I don't know what the Halloween box is. But yeah, that's it. Just a little quick haul. I need to take a nap. So, thanks for watching. Links down below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.